Hi guys, Pam Washington here from Build My Cleaning Business. So listen, I wanted to just record a quick video to let you know that I have moved my YouTube channel. You probably were attracted to this channel because it says that there are lots of subscribers, but this is my old channel and I need to move everybody over to the new channel. There were some problems with this channel where a lot of the videos that I had posted didn't have the proper tags and labels and things, and so it made it more difficult for you guys to find what you're looking for. So I made a quick video today because I want to let you know I'm going to put a link down below this video. I want you to go to that new Build My Cleaning Business YouTube page, subscribe on that page instead, because I need to get everybody moved over to my new page, okay? I'm going to start posting a lot of YouTube live videos coming up soon, so you want to make sure that you get over to the new page and make sure to be subscribed so that you can be alerted every time I have new content. Okie doke. See you on the other side. Bye for now.